You are welcome back to my phone screen and also back to my YouTube channel. So, like I said before, if you want to make money online, try AI mining. This is AI mining, and as you all know, if you have been following me up on my videos on this channel, you will know that I have withdrawn a lot of times on AI mining. I have withdrawn more than 80 times, 80 times on AI mining. I withdraw every day. And right now, AI mining is doing wonders. Right now, if you go to Lagos, you will see the advertisement everywhere. Their billboard, their BRT bus. If you go to Abuja, you will see many things about them. If you listen to a radio station, you will hear about AI mining. If you watch your TV on DSTV TV news, you will also see about AI mining. So, guys, right now, as you can see right now, I have 27 USDT here, which is $27 here on my AI mining account. Right now, I want to withdraw it. I want to withdraw it to my Binance account. I'm withdrawing to my Binance account. So right now, let's see if this platform is still paying or not. It's still paying or not. And if you want to know more about AI mining, I will also drop the link to my former videos where I explain about AI mining. I have a lot of video about AI mining on my channel, but I will also drop the link to the description of this video and also the registration link there. You can just check it out and watch the video and also register if you are interested. So right now I want to withdraw. Let's see if this platform is going to pay today or not. So right now, let me click on withdraw, go to home page, then I will click on withdraw. So I want to withdraw $27 right now, $27, but I'm going to receive $26 because they will take a transaction fee of $1. So enter your withdrawal address, then click on confirm. As you can see, applied successfully. So if you look up here, you will see that they have deduct the money from here. You can see it. They have deduct the money from my account right now. So if you go back here, you will see it that they have deducted it. So right now, I want to check my withdrawal. Let's see my withdrawal record. Let's see if they are going to pay me or not. As you can see, to be processed right now is on to be processed right now. Let me go to my Binance and show you my Binance account right now. So this is the money I have on my Binance right now. I only have $3 here, $3.68 here on my Binance. You can see it by yourself. So I will keep on refreshing until I receive the payment from AI mining. So their payment is automatic. So as you can see, approved already. It has been approved already because their payment is through the blockchain, directly automatic. So right now, let me go back to my Binance and keep on refreshing the page until I receive my $26. Remember, I withdraw 27, but I'm going to receive $26. So let's see. As you can see, is now on my Binance. It's coming right now. You can see the deposit of USDT is in process. You can see it's 26 USDT confirming. So let me refresh again. As you can see, completed. 26 USDT completed. So let me refresh my page again on as you can see, this is my balance now. I now have $29 now here on my Binance. If I go to my spot, I think it's on, yes, you can see this is the money here right now on my spot wallet on my Binance. So guys, if you are still playing, keep on playing, keep on playing. That is what I would just tell you. You should just keep on playing because the more you are playing, the more we earn money. But if you want to make money, take your action right now and start making money on AI mining. If you want to know more about AI mining, how it works, how everything is, just check the description of this video. You will see a link to my former videos where I explain many things about AI mining there. So guys, thank you for watching. I don't want to prolong this video, so thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. I'm dropping another video very soon, so keep in touch and please hit that subscribe button if this is your first time on this channel, so that anytime I drop another tips or more ways to make money online, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. Hit that subscribe button and hit all, click on all. So don't forget to like the video. Goodbye for now.